Good morning and welcome to Rose Red Homestead. I probably look a little bit haggard. It's been a pretty rough week. This is the first video that we are doing since Jim's surgery. The other two that we aired this week were done a couple of weeks ago in advance, knowing that we would need them for this week. Jim is 5 days now past surgery. This is probably his best day so far. But
it's better.
I thought I'd bring him on for just a minute so that you can see that he's actually okay. Hi, honey.
Hi, I'm alive.
So here he is post-surgery. And I think your favorite part is that now you're on a regular diet. You don't have to eat all that vanilla.
Well, it was good. I mean, I've lost a couple pounds.
18 pounds. So just on ice cream shakes and pudding and yogurt, and that's about it.
Yeah.
But he's back to eating real stuff now, so that's good. He's still pretty rocky, and we're on the tripod today and will be for a few weeks until he finally recovers. But his color is good, and I'm so glad to have him back, so it's good.
It's good to be back.
Okay, so I know you need to go sit down, so thanks for coming on for a minute.
That's why we've got us on the tripod.
Yeah.
Makes it easier for me. My arms are just...
Okay. So today we're going to be covering powdered vegetables and what you can do for them. And this video is going to be quite short because we have 4 videos that we're going to tack on to this. Back in 2021 and 2022, I was just going bonkers with powdering vegetables, with dehydrating and freeze-drying vegetables. That was covered on last week's Retro Friday, and this week shows what we do with those powders. We powdered a lot of that stuff. And as I was reviewing these videos for including in the list for this video, I had forgotten how many different types of vegetable powders we had. The first video that's on our list, which is making and using vegetable powders, will show you, my gosh, I bet I had 12, maybe even more different little 8-ounce jars of vegetable powder that I had made all from scratch. And so we showed in that video a lot of different possibilities. I think we showed you how to actually powder. I believe we did beets in that video, and then how we use them in various things. So it was fun. It was fun for me to go back and review that video and remember the fun times I had really going hot and heavy on vegetables and drying them and then powdering them and using them and inventing all kinds of different things. Then the second video that we have on our list today is using those powders to make soup mixes. And I went out to our food storage in the garage, and I found 3 that are still here, and these were all done summer of 21. So here is tomato celery soup and asparagus soup, and I have to admit this is our favorite. I didn't know we had one of these left. It will be gone probably by the end of today, but that is a wonderful thing. And then this is broccoli cheddar. This was also another one of our favorites. And so with the cheese in here, I used freeze-dried cheese and then powdered it. For the asparagus, we did both drying types for the asparagus and then powdered that. And then I dehydrated and freeze-dried tomatoes and powdered them. Then I always use a little bit of, because most of these are cream soups, I believe, and so I used a little bit of powdered milk, and then all of them had a little bit of potato powder that I also made, not potato flour. So then the third one is making pumpkin powder. I went hog wild on pumpkin. And the fourth one is 5 favorite powdered pumpkin recipes. And that one comes with this little booklet. This is in our bookstore. It is a free download. And it gives 5 recipes that you can use with your pumpkin powder. Then on the very back page, it gives about 7 videos on various aspects of pumpkins that I was working on during that time. And this one, which is the one that is baking with pumpkin powder, which is not included in this video, but it's listed in this booklet, and you can link it from there. It shows how I use pumpkin powder to make a shelf-stable dry pumpkin pie mix, where all you do is just add water and then there's your pumpkin pie filling. And it turned out just fantastic. So it's all about vegetable powders this time and the different ways that we can use them. I think all of the information that you need to get started on that, if you haven't started already, is there. Plus, we had wonderful viewer response. So many people gave their ideas on what they do with vegetable powders as well. So while the videos themselves are very valuable, reading the comments under these videos will also give you many more lessons in addition to what was presented in our video. So we're going to sign off for now. And I hope we haven't done any videos for next week. So I hope that we can get some of them done this week. It depends on how Jim is feeling. He's over there smiling at us. So we will see. And until that time, we will see you soon, sometime soon, with more videos. And thank you so much for being with us and enjoy these 4 videos. And just a reminder, you can also access these 4 videos by going to our website. And the link is below, and then you can just scroll down to where it's called a blog, but it's news and announcements. And every week I publish a little blurb on what we have done for Retro Friday and list the videos there that you can just click on as well. So there's another place that you can find the videos for Retro Fridays. So see you soon. Bye-bye.